Hey, yo.
You are my black queen, no so pure. Your melanin so sweet, it bring me joy.
It's hot as shit in here. Well, you know, you're not involved. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Come join the familiar. So today I'm doing a mukbang. Like, I've just cooked and I've posted the video of me cooking this meal. So if you're interested on what's on the plate, just look at my video. It's gonna be the last video I posted, literally. Oh no, listen, I want to put my fan on, but I don't want my feet to get cold too quick. So I've got fried rice, which is like, I just fried it with like mushrooms and peppers and onions. Chicken wings, corn on the cob, homemade coleslaw. I've never made homemade coleslaw before, but I tried to make it and I feel like I missed out a lot of things, but that's because I did miss out a lot of things. So yeah, that's that. And then some mac and cheese, which I followed the recipe, but I feel like it's a bit too dry. I don't know if I followed the recipe wrong, but it is what it is. It smelled, the sauce tasted good and it smelled delicious. See, it's dry as fuck. But it tastes good. Before we carry on, let me just apologize in advance because it's a mukbang. I'm gonna have to mukbang. I'm gonna have to like open my mouth. Well, I'm gonna have to talk because I'm just gonna be. That's basically what mukbangs are. You just want to be watching me eat. You see that rice? That fried rice there, yeah. Do you know what, right? For someone who doesn't even like cooking, when I cook, it fucking bangs. Like, when I'm in the mood to cook, like, I will cook. But most of the time, it's like, I hate cooking. I hate cooking when when I was younger, I used to hate it so much. Because, like, I hate cooking when I'm told to cook. Even now, I hate it when people tell me to cook. And I'm like, you cook. Nah, you see, like coleslaw, right? So, when I first made it, it tasted a bit bitter. But once you mix it with the rice and everything on the plate. I can't even show you the plate properly. There's a lot of food on there. That's why I'm a big bitch. Look at that. Oh! Nah, you have seen enough. This shit's delicious. But I hate cooking for people. People ask me to cook for them. I'm like, do it yourself. But yeah, the mac and cheese is a bit dry. I feel like maybe I should have put more milk or what. I don't know, but the flavor's there. Yeah, like it tastes good, but it's just like, I think it's a little bit too dry. But it's one of them things that's like, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna eat you anyway, and I'm gonna enjoy. Ooh, look at you steaming, you little steamy bitch. Come here. Come. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Shit. Growing up in like in an African household, it's always been like instilled into me that not my mum as much, but like from people outside the family. So like my grandma especially, let me say that you have to be able to cook for your man and all this, and not for me. Listen, if I ever get married or if I get into a partnership where it's that long, well, any partnership, long or not, if I cook for you, you cook for me. It's not like I have to cook. Imagine coming home from work, you've done your 9-hour shift, and you come home and your husband finished like 5 hours before you, and he's sitting there, kids are there crying because they're fucking hungry, and your husband's like, when you're gonna make the food? I'll be like, fuck you, mate. Honest, I'll drop kick someone. I'm that petty bitch, right? I'll cook for me and the kids, and I'd watch them starve, and I'd be there like, so what you gonna do now? The honey and barbecue chicken wings. Say my name, say my name. We're acting kind of. Oh, damn. When it comes to cooking in a relationship, not just cooking, but anything, it's a partnership. and it's an equal partnership. So I love cleaning. No, that's a lie. That's fucking. I like washing up dishes again when I'm not told to do it. So I'd happily have someone cook and I wash the dishes. The times when I really enjoy cooking is like when I have something planned. Like, oh yeah, I'm really in the mood for that. I'm not gonna lie. I want to get married to someone who likes cooking, because then he'll like happily cook and I'll happily watch him cook. Listen, Linda, listen. The mac might be a little bit dry, but it's fucking Poppington! How do people do mukbangs? Like, the food tastes too good. I don't want to talk right now. The flavour just exploding in my mouth. Wow. What was I talking about? Yeah, I want a husband that can cook. That's basically it. If I marry a chef, right? You know that show, 600 pounds? What is it? Something 600 pounds. My 600 pound life. You will see me on there. Because I will eat and eat and eat. Next thing, there's a crane outside my house to take me out because I'm 605 pounds. This shit good. This bone's almost clean enough to be a toothbrush. Don't people say that when they cook, they can't eat? I can't relate. Cannot relate. Why do you think I got to this size? Yeah. When I cook, I want to eat. I cook because I'm going to eat and I'm going to. Oh, let's have a little bite of you. Succulent. It's just all a bit emotional, really. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I cook to eat. People were saying, like, once I cook, I can't eat, and you're probably because you're snacking. Like, there is times, right, when I can't eat soon after I cook, because when I'm cooking, I'm like, oh, have a little bit of this. Oh, let me taste a little bit of that. Didn't taste it enough. Let me put some on the side plate and try and taste it on the plate because it might taste different once I put it on the plate. So basically, sometimes I cook and I'm like that. But today I made sure that like I wasn't gonna. So I tried things to make sure like okay the flavor is there, but I wasn't like gonna excessively try things, so that would be full. Yeah, because sometimes after I cook, I have to take a break before I eat my actual meal because I'm full. But today I was like, nope, we're gonna do it now. And also, I was that hungry, right? So I was gonna put makeup on, you know, make myself look nice and shit. And I was like, all I'm doing is just eating, like. So, so yeah, I was just like, fuck it, headscarf on, do some baby hairs, spray some Mario Badescu spray. And I'm eating, bro. This corn on the cob is hitting proper. Listen, I feel like all people always bring up the weather, and I've become that person that always brings up the weather because I'm pretty sure I talked about it in my last video. But what the fuck is this weather, bro? 1 minute it's sunny, the next it's like torrential rain, and it's just so confusing. And then I fucking hate that guy. I actually can't stand him. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But yeah, so the weather, it's just mad confusing, and it's just irritating that you think, okay, yeah, we can plan shit because it's not gonna rain, and because the sun is out, you know, it's hot as well, and then it's like, nope, not today, sis, not on my watch. Fuck. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Let me tell you what I'm looking at in disgust, right? Outside my window, I can see at the front where, like, my neighbours and the people who park, like, there, right? There's a parking spot. It's 2 spaces, one behind the other. Yeah, our next door neighbour, Nan, she used to park in that space, like, when her granddaughter used to come. So the granddaughter could park there, and then her granddaughter's mom could. Basically, so the family had enough parking space, and the guy he was just parking just like in front of the back space, so like that. Then this guy went and got a new car, right? It's just so fucking irritating because now, instead of him parking in one spot and then leaving another spot behind, he parks in the middle. What kind of dickhead move is that? Every time I see him, they're like, oh my... one day I'm going to go and move my mum's car and park it there and see what he's going to do. I better be watching from his fucking flat, looking and thinking, when are you going to move so I can reverse my car? It's just so selfish. Selfish. Anyway, run over. Every time I see his car, it just pisses me off. What? How can you be that? This meal is hitting at several spots. Guys, now that lockdown's over, isn't it just weird that now we can just, it's like kind of like, okay, you can just go to town and shop. I feel like I don't need the option of having to go into town centre to shop because I've survived this long without having to do it and buying everything online that I can legit just continue to buy shit online. I think the only place like I'd actually need to go into town for is Primark. And like little like home bargains and maybe But for necessities and all that, I've actually managed to everyone has managed to survive without all these shops being open. But I hope Primark learned its lesson though, you know, because for years people have been saying do online. Now this happened, you lost money. So you best hurry up and get an online shop started before the second wave comes. I think it's mad that they want to open pubs and bars and like pubs was it bars or pubs and like restaurants. Restaurants, yeah, I feel like that's okay. It's the whole pubs thing because when people get drunk, they're not gonna adhere to fucking social distancing rules. The alcohol will take over. Apparently, they want to change the social distancing measures from 2 meters to 1 meter, and this is because pubs will be complaining because like you can't fit that many people in if it's a 2 meter distance rule. But it's just stupid because, like I said, once you're drunk, no one's gonna give a shit. No one will give a shit. And like, how are you gonna try and tell people who are drunk stay back? Or I don't know. Like I just feel like drunk people don't listen at all. Well, most of them. I'll listen. Sometimes. I don't know. Absolute banger. I know I say this every video, and I know I say what I just said every video, but I should be in Dubai right now. Oh, but I'm here singing to a con on the gob. Con on the gob. No, it's con on the gob. Eating. Proper eating. With everything open, are you guys actually like gonna go clubbing? Like when clubs open? Or do you think that's just bare risky? I feel like that's when it's just the spreadation. Is that a word? Spreadation. Is predation a word? How are you gonna social distance in a club? Like, you're gonna have about 10 people in the club. Clubs will be going bankrupt left, right, and centre if that was the case. But oh, give me a second. Oh god, honestly, quenching me thirst. This drink here, right, is mango and passion fruit. Like £1 for like a 1.5 litre bottle from Tesco. I never had it before until today, and it's delicioso. Delicioso. So guys, I want to say I'm surprised and this doesn't happen often, but it happens a lot. Nasty. How old are you? You're a grown woman. You know, I'm for me. Oh. Ew. I enjoyed that food. I hope you did too. Look at that, Chris. Look at that. Listen. Knock, knock. Who's there? Who? Macaroni. Oh. Before I go, Black lives matter. Black lives matter. Black lives matter. Black lives matter. I'm doing that thing now, yeah? I'm just eating because the food's in front of me. I'm full, bro. I'll talk to you later, babes. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend that Cravey is on the scene. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, God. Food coma, here it comes. Honestly, a nap's gonna hit just right now. It's gonna, yeah, a good one.